How are you guys? Today we're going to look at factorization of the difference of the two squares. So the two squares we have are x squared and y squared. So the difference is x squared minus y squared. So the factorized form of that is just x minus y times x plus y. So any expressions of that form, we just use that method. For instance, let's say we have x squared minus 4. You can see that this is x squared minus 2 squared, which is a difference of 2 squares, which means our final answer will be x minus 2 times x plus 2. Then we are done. As of a second example, we can look at 4x squared minus 9, like this. You can see that this is 2 squared x squared minus 3 squared. Again, this is the difference of 2 squares, which means if we are to factorize, this becomes 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. So for this method, you can use it even when there are fractions. We can also apply the same method. Let's say we have 100 x squared minus 1 over 9. So what it means is we have 10 squared x squared minus 1 over 3 squared. So this gives us 10x minus 1/3 times 10x plus 1/3. So thank you guys. That's all for today. Have a good day.